southwestern Monroe County in central Georgia, southeastern Lamar County in west central Georgia, eastern Upson County in west central Georgia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 10:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, southwest Georgia thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the northern area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Georgia. Possible in the warm area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Barnesville, Yeatasville, Cullinan, Lawtown, Redbone, and Salem. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flood.